We'll guide you through how to use Git in VS Code. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Visual Studio Code on your computer. Once you're in, look at the left-hand sidebar and find the source control icon, which looks like a Y-shaped branch. Click on that. Now, if you haven't already initialized a Git repository, you'll see an option to do so. Click the Initialize Repository button. This sets up Git to track changes in your current folder. If you're working with a project that already has a Git repository, you can simply open that folder in VS Code, and it will automatically detect the repository. Next, you might want to clone an existing repository from GitHub. To do this, open the command palette by pressing Ctrl+Shift+P on Windows or Command+Shift+P on a Mac, and type git clone and hit enter. Then, paste the URL of the repository you wish to clone and select the location on your computer where you want it saved. Once the cloning is done, VS Code will prompt you to open the repository. Click Open. Now, to stage your changes, go back to the source control view. You'll see all the changes you've made. Click the plus icon next to the changes you want to stage, or click the plus icon at the top to stage all changes. Once your changes are staged, it's time to commit them. In the message box at the top, write a brief description of your changes and hit the checkmark icon to commit them. To push these changes to a remote repository, open the terminal in VS Code using Ctrl+backtick on Windows or Command+backtick on a Mac and type git push and hit enter. You may need to enter your credentials if it's not already set up. And that's it. You've successfully used Git within VS Code. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.